I'm impressed with the tempo. Again, John, all right. Don't know.
Passing range. Most of the youth level.
I'm not going.
Like a wild thrashed area behind us. And I think that's probably a big height down there as well. As we took Bilal Al Khanous. Somebody's got to cross it. Louvre. A mixture of a Tony and Terry. Santa Box.